Hi, it's New Year's Eve. I'm going to make the perfect dessert, a carrot cake. We will need 2 cups of carrot, 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 2 cups of maida, 1.5 cups sugar, 1 cup oil, any plain flavorless oil will do, and 2 tablespoons of curd. First, we will mix all our dry ingredients. First, we'll take the maida. We'll add the sugar. Now in goes the cinnamon, baking soda and the baking powder. We'll give them a nice stir. Make sure there are no lumps. In a separate bowl, we're going to mix our wet ingredients. First goes in the buttermilk. Then the oil. Then curd. Give it a quick whisk. This is done. We are going to mix our dry ingredients into our wet ingredients. It's time to fold in our carrots. Gently fold them in. We don't want the cake to be overmixed. We'll now pour this into our oiled cake tin. Tap to get rid of the bubbles. This will now go to a preheated oven for half an hour at 180 degrees. There it is, my perfect super moist yummy eggless carrot cake. Time to try it. It will be amazing for my New Year party. Happy New Year! Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.